So, okay. So, this is our last example nung unang video natin class. So, what if itong supports natin sa C is ruler, okay? Let us say ruler to siya instead of fixed. So, anong mangyayari? Okay? Okay? So, pag ganito, ganun pa rin yung gagawin natin. Okay, so, let's start from the beginning. So, yung una natin kukumputin is si fixed end moments. Okay? So, previously, alam naman natin yung mga, okay? So, actually, class, may dalawa. Okay? There are two methods in solving this. And the most practical method that I could suggest is yung nakasanayan na natin na K is equal to 4EI over L. Pero, meron tayong tinatawag na pwede nating i-modify yung K natin o yung stiffness natin. So, instead na 4EI over L to, ay instead of 4EI over L lahat, pwede mong gawin to na 3EI over L. Okay? So, maybe, yung first na method muna ang ating itackle na parehong 4EI over L yung stiffness natin. Okay? So, kapag ganyan na yung gagamitin natin is parehong 4EI over L on all the spans yung stiffness natin sa bawat portion nitong beams o portion nitong continuous beam. So, pag ganyan, i-consider natin na lahat ng at the beginning, lahat ng points o lahat ng supports natin is like fixed supports, kahit ruler supports siya. So, we all know na doon sa nakaraan na yung FEM over AB natin is equivalent to, ano yun? WL squared over 12. Okay? Negative. So, negative 8 6 squared over 12 is equivalent to negative 24 kilonewton meter. Okay? Pareho lang yung nakaraan. So, ulitin lang natin para hindi natin malimutan. So, si FEBA, the same, positive nga lang, WL squared over 12. Okay? So, this roots from the assumption na, okay? So, ulitin ko, this roots from the assumption in which clockwise, okay? Clockwise is negative. Okay? Counterclockwise is negative and clockwise is positive. Okay? So, yan yung general assumption natin. Pareho lang nun sa slope deflection method. Okay? So, we have positive 8, 6 squared over 12, so 24 kilonewton meter. And then, FEM, BC natin is negative PAB squared over L squared. Okay, yung A natin same 3 at yung B natin is 2. So, and negative P is 20. Okay, 3, 2 squared over 5 squared. Okay, so same. This is negative 9.6 kilonewton meter. And you have FEM CB, okay? Kahit alam naman natin na 0 talaga to since pwede nating i-assume na meron to. Kasi fixed end moments din yan eh. So, we know at the end, yung makompute natin na moment at CB, hindi yung is 0. Okay? But somehow, we i-consider muna natin na para siyang yung fixed end moments niya is hindi 0. Okay? So, dalawa yan. So, pwede mong i-assume na 0 to kaagad, pero gamitin mo is 3EI over L na stiffness. Yun yung pangalawang pamamaraan. So, pero unahin muna natin to. So, we have PA squared over L squared. So, okay. Then, positive 20, 3 squared over 2 over 5 squared. So, we have, okay, 14.4 kilonewton meter. Okay? Yan. So, ganun din yung gagawin natin. Okay? So, that is the fixed end moments. And then, yung susunod natin is ganun pa rin, yung K. Okay? So, i-erase ko muna to. Okay. So, stiffness is yung so, lagay natin stiffness yung hanapin natin. So, yung una natin gagawin i-compute is si KAB. Okay? So, we all know K A to B. Okay? KAB is equivalent to 4EI over L. Okay? Assume muna natin na parehong 4EI over L2. Then, 4 KEI is constant. So, we take it as it is over 6. Then, yung KBC is equivalent to 4EI over L is equal to 4EI over 5. Okay. So, next is makompute na natin okay, yung third step. Ano nga ba yung third step? First, fixed end moments, stiffness, and ang sunod natin i-compute is si distribution factor. Okay? So, yung DF natin, okay, so si DF, unahin natin DFAB, so from A to B, is equivalent to 0 kasi fixed. Okay? So, DF, BA, B to A is equivalent to KAB. Okay? Yung stiffness ng member AB over KAB plus KBC. Okay? Kasi nasa gitna siya B to A. So, yung unahan ng distribution factor natin na member BA, yung first side niya is B, so nasa gitna. So, yung distribution factor niya is KAB sa left plus over KAB over plus KBC. So, yung KAB natin is 4EI over 6. Okay? Over 4EI over 6 plus yung KBC is 4EI over 5. Okay? So, same pa rin. This is 5 over 11. Okay? Pareho lang yung dun sa unang example. So, later, pagdating natin sa table, magbabago na siguro to. Okay? So, si DF, okay, BC is equivalent to, okay, BC. So, TF, BC is equal to KBC over KAB plus KBC. Okay? So, si KBC mo is 4 over 5 EI over 4 over 6 EI plus 4 EI over 5. So, same answer nung ate is equivalent to 6 over 11. Or, itong 5 over 11 is 0.455 at ito is 0.545. Okay? In 3 decimal place. So, yan. So, yan. Na-compute natin si FM fixed end moment, si stiffness, saka si distribution factor. So, we can construct our table para ma-compute natin yung distribution ng moments. Okay? So, erase ko muna to. Erase ko na to ha. So, pwede nyong i-stop yung sandali. Pwede nyong i-stop momentarily o i-pause momentarily yung video na to. Then, para makita nyo kung yung step by step if hindi kayo nakasunod, okay? So, that's the beauty of pre-recording, okay? Then, anyway, pwede kayong mag-comment down sa video na to if may tanong kayo na may hindi kayo naintindihan, okay? So, let's erase muna. Okay. So, then again, let's proceed drawing the table. So, we have join. Okay. We have joint A, B, and C. Okay. Kasi isang okay. So, we have members, different members. So, yung different members natin, okay, si joint member, so yung member under kay A is si AB lang. Kay B is si BA at si BC. At kang C is si CB. Okay. So, next kang member, ilagay natin dito si distribution factor. Okay. Yan. So, naalala natin. Okay. Okay. So, parang meron, okay. So, si AB natin, distribution factor niya is 0. Kasi, fixed. ABA, 6 over 5 over 11. Kay BC is 6 over 11. Kang CB, okay? Si DFCB natin is ano nga ba yun? Kasi ruler, basta ruler class or pin, equivalent yan, 1 automatic yung distribution factor niya. Okay? Unlike kang fixed is 0. Okay? So, applicable lang yan, ang 0 or 1 kapag nasa exterior side siya. Kapag nasa extreme far end or left end siya. O kasi ito yung far right end, far left end din yun. Okay? Kaya, exterior supports. It refers to exterior supports. Okay? So, we have cycle 1. Sa cycle 1, we start at fixed end moments. Okay, lagay natin dito si fixed end moments natin. Ano ba yung mga fixed end moments na compute natin? Okay, then may this. Yung fixed end moments na compute natin is negative 24, 24, okay, negative 9.6, and 14.4. Sa sinabi ko na, no, naalala nyo pa yung formula ni distribution. So, si distribution natin is equivalent to df times summation of moments at joint times negative 1. Okay? Tandaan nyo palagi itong formula na to. So, dito, kay EB, yung distribution factor natin is 0. Then, automatically, yung summation of moments at joint natin, kasi isa lang yung member niya, si AB lang, so negative 24. So, dito, 0 to times negative 24 times negative 1, which is equivalent to 0. Kaya 0 to. Okay? So, next. Dito naman tayo kay B. So, summation of moment at joint natin is equivalent to 24 plus negative 9.6. Pag i-add mo yan, this is 14.4. Okay? But somehow, iba yung pag-compute natin kay BA at kay BC. So, kay BC, okay, yung this BC natin is 5 over 11 times 14.4 times negative 1. Okay? So, i-multiply natin yan. So, ano nga ba yan? So, 5 divide 11 times 14.4 times negative 1 equals, okay, negative 6.545. Kay BA pala to, sorry, BA to ha, BA. Yun yung pag-compute kay BA. Okay? This is BA's what about kay BC? Okay, kay BC is 6/11. Ito, times 14.4 times -1. Okay? Ano? So, 6. So, -7. Okay, -7.855. Okay? Yan. Okay. So, dito na tayo magkatalo. Ito na yung pagkakaiba. Kasi, pag na-compute na natin yung moment at joint, dito na side kay C, isa lang yung member niya. Yung fixed end moments niya is 14.4. Kaya, summation of joint is 14.4. So, therefore, yung distribution natin at CB at this point is equivalent to distribution factor which is 1 times summation of moment at joint. Isa lang yung moment niya, 14.4 times most kay -1. So, ilan? So, -0.4. So, this is -14.4. Oh. May pagkakaiba siya doon sa naunang sample natin. Yan. Then again, anong gagawin natin? Meron natin tayong cycle 2. Okay? Erase ko muna to. So, meron tayong cycle 2. Okay? Yan. Okay, cycle 2, meron tayong instead na FEM, doon tayo kay carry over moment. And then, meron din sa sariling distribution. Okay? So, dito, so alam naman natin na si CO at AB is equivalent to distribution BA over 2. Okay? So, yung carry over moment natin, so, dito niya malipat. Okay? Magbaliktaran ng yung carry over, di ba? So, as I explained nung first example, so, -6.545, okay, divide 2 equals -3.273, okay? This is round off to 3 decimal place. And then, carry over moment at BA is equivalent to distribution at AB divide 2, okay? So, crisscross. So, 0 divide 2 is 0. Okay? Dito, okay, so, carry over moment at BC is equivalent to distribution at CB over 2. Okay? So, -14.4 divide 2 is -7.2. Okay? So, ito, then carry over moment at CB is equivalent to distribution at BC over 2. Okay? So, ilan? So, -7.855 divide 2 is -3.973. Okay. So, then again, we'll go back to distribution. Okay? So, alam naman natin, ganun pa rin. So, distribution natin is, di ba? DF times, okay, summation of moments at joint times -1. Okay? Yung moment natin dito, hindi na si FEM, si carry over na. Okay? Dito na side, kay AB, 0 na yung distribution factor niya. Di ba? Distribution at AB is 0 yung distribution factor niya, tapos -3.273 times -1. So, automatically, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay? So, kay BA naman, okay, kay BA, so, alam naman natin na yung distribution factor niya is 5/11. Multiply mo kay summation of moment at joint. So, 0, di ba? Ito yung joint B. I-add mo yung kay BA at BC is -7.2 times -1. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung sagot natin is 5 divided 11 times negative 7.2, okay, times negative 1. So, we have 3.273 dito na side. Okay? And then, dito na side, kay BC, okay? So, kay BC is 6/11 to. Okay? So, 6 divided 11 times, okay, times negative 7.2 times negative 1 is 3.973. Okay? So, kay distribution factor ulit tayo kay CB. So, distribution factor at CB natin is equal to, distribution moment at CB is DF, which is 1, times summation of moment at joint, which is negative 3.973 times negative 1. So, therefore, magiging 3.973 positive siya. Okay? Yan. Okay? So, meron pang value. Okay? Nasa napapansin nyo, may value pa. Di tulad nung naunang example. So, kapag may value pa to, pwede pa natin itong i-continue. Okay? So, sinabi ko na, itong moment distribution method is an iterative method. So, kapag ganito yung sistema, yung nangyayari, hindi na si zero. Dapat, yung end kasi ng distribution natin, dapat almost zero na. Okay? Parang 0.0000 na. Ibig sabihin, maliit na lang yung error. Okay? So, moment distribution kasi is, posible hindi natin makuha yung eksaktong-eksakto. Kung gusto nyo eksakto talaga yung values na makompute nyo, gumamit kayo ng slope deflection method. So, this moment distribution method is more of an approximation. So, ibig sabihin yung magiging sakot mo dito sa moment distribution is what you can only do is to approximate it. Kasi, in order to get the exact formula, although may mga pagkakataon na nag-i-end siya, na accurate siya, pero in most cases, meron siyang error na konti. Kasi, para maging accurate siya, dapat itong si distribution, 0 to lahat sa hulihan. Okay? So, dahil hindi siya 0, pwede nating dagdagan ng another cycle. Okay? So, cycle 3 tayo. So, sa cycle 3, ulitin natin. Cycle 3 is CO pa rin at saka si this. Okay? Yan. Kita natin. Yan. So, ganun pa rin. So, we all know that the carryover moment is equivalent to this nung kabaliktaran niya. So, CO, AB is equivalent to this at BA over 2. So, bali-baliktad lang. So, 3.273 para makompute yung carryover moment at AB is equivalent to distribution BA over 2. So, 3.273 divided 2. Okay. Alright. So, this is 1.63 kasi nag-end to kanina 27272 eh. So, dapat 1.636 lang to. Okay? So, and then, ito, carryover moment at CO at BA is equivalent to distribution at AB. Yung kabaliktaran niya ng pangalan, over 2. So, 0. Kay BC, is equal to distribution at CB over 2. Okay. So, 3.973. Yan. Divide 2 is actually 3.92727 to eh. 2727 divide 2. Okay. So, 1.986. Yung kay CB naman, yung kabaliktaran pa rin ni BC. So, ibig sabihin, 39.73 over 2 is 1.986 pa rin. So then again, balik tayo sa pag-compute ni distribution. So we all know that this again is equivalent to distribution factor times summation of moment at joint times negative 1. Okay? So yung DF natin dito kay AB is equivalent kay 0 times 1.636 summation moment at joint. Isa lang naman kasi yung member niya. So 1.636 na yan kagad times negative 1 is 0. Okay? So dito, okay, so i-add mo yung summation of moment at joint. 0 plus 1.986 is 1.986. Then i-multiply mo kay distribution factor na 5 over 11 times 5 divided 11 times negative 1. So, therefore, this is 0, negative 0.903. Okay. Dito, 1.986 times 6 divided 11 na distribution factor times negative 1 equals negative 1.083. Okay. So, next is ang distribution factor nitong 1.986 ay ang summation of joint is 1.986 kasi isa lang member niya, no? At joint C. So, 1.986 times distribution factor of 1 is 1.986 times negative 1 is negative 1.986. Okay? We can actually stop dito. Okay? So, maybe dito muna. Okay? So, actually, hindi siya accurate masyado, class, kasi mayroon pang natira. Okay? To make to make this this computation more accurate, dapat you see to it na yung huling distribution is mas maliit na maliit, 0.00, okay, 0.03, 0.05, okay. So maybe dagdagan natin ng isa pang cycle, okay, cycle 4 for this, liitan na natin, okay. So CO, okay, sipirin natin yung space, CO at this pa rin. So, we all know that CO of AB is distribution at BA over 2. So, ito yun. Mag-criss-cross sila. So, negative 0.903 divided 2 is negative 0.452. Okay? Ni-round off ko to 3 decimal. Okay? And then, 0 divided 2 is 0. Kasi, okay? Carry over moment at BC is equivalent to distribution at CB over 2. Okay? So, negative 1.986 divided 2 is negative 0.993. Okay? And then, carry over distribution at BC is equivalent to, carry over moment at BC is equivalent to distribution at CB over 2. So, negative 1.083 divided 2 is negative 0.542. Okay? So, again, repeat. Distribution. Okay? Distribution is equals to DF times summation of moment at joint times negative 1. Okay? So, yung DF natin is 0. Summation of moment at joint is 0.452. So, 0 na to kaagad. Okay? So, i-add mo. So, summation of moment at joint, dito naman tayo sa B is summation of moment at joint kasi 0 and negative 0.993 is negative 0.993. So, dito, ang distribution factor mo is 5 over 11 kay BA. So, 5 divided 11 times negative 0.993 times negative 1 is 0.451. Okay? So, dito is negative 0.993. Okay, dito kay BC times distribution factor of 6 over 11 times negative 1 is 0.54542. Okay? Dito, yung kay CB naman, distribution at CB is equivalent to distribution factor which at CB which is 1. Okay? Times negative 1, this is 0.542. Okay? Sum up. Dito na tayo sa cycle 4. Actually, pwede nyo pang ipagpatuloy hanggang umabot kayo, kahit umabot pa kayo ng 100 cycles. Pwede nyo ulit-ulitin para mas maging accurate yung sagot nyo. Okay? So, inulit ko pa, sa sinabi ko na kanina, moment distribution method is an iterative method or an approximate method only. Okay? So, may pagkakataon na accurate talaga yung sagot mo, exact. Pero may pagkakataon na tulad nito, na naghalo yung fixed and pinned supports, na hindi siya mag-zero yung distribution. Kaya hindi siya ganun ka-accurate. So, i-add natin lahat to. Okay? Huwag mong isama yung distribution factor mula lang sa FEM hanggang sa huling distribution. So, negative 24 minus 3.273 plus 1.636 minus 0.452 is negative. Okay, yung sum natin is negative 26.089. So, this is the moment. Okay? So, this is the moment at AB. Okay? Okay. So, ganyan. Okay? Kita ba? So, yung moment natin at BA is i-add natin to lahat. Okay? Huwag mong isama yung distribution factor galing tayo sa FEM. So, FEM, okay, sum everything from FEM to this, okay, plus 3.273 minus 0.903 plus 0.451. Okay? So, 20.276. Okay, this is in kilonewton meter. Add mo din yun sa kabila. So, okay, so we have negative 20.23 kilonewton meter. Okay? So, dapat mag-zero to sila eh. Pero, okay? So, hindi siya nag-zero. Ibig sabihin, may error tayo ng konti. Okay? So, we have MBC equal 0. Okay? So, tama ba yung pagka-add ko? Ulitin ko muna. Minus 7.855 minus 7.2 plus 3.973 plus 1.986 minus 1.083 minus 0.993 plus 0.542. Okay, sakto. Dito sa kabila, 24 plus 3.27. Okay, sakto. Okay. Then, MCB. Okay, MCB to ha. Baka masyadong malabo pagkasulat ko. I-add mo lang to lahat. So, since pinned siya, alam natin na nag-cancel out lang yung fixed end moment at yung distribution na at yung carryover moment at distribution niya. So, this is 0. Okay. So, yan yung nakuha natin na moments. Okay. Actually, mayroon pang ibang paraan, class. Okay. Meron pang Okay. So, yan yung sagot in the first method. But somehow, meron pang ibang method. Okay? So, yung method na yun is itong kapag yung outer side, okay? Since ito na side is pin to, saka ruler to, so instead na gumamit ka ng K is equal to 4EI dito na side kay span BC, gagamit ka ng AB ay BC, KBC is equivalent to 3EI over L. Okay? And then, yung gagamitin mo na fixed in moment dito is 0. Okay? Dito, nakuha natin is 14.4. Dito, iba na yung formula niya eh. Magiging negative PA squared B over L squared plus PAB squared over L squared. But somehow, hindi na natin yun i-discuss. So, para hindi tayo malito, ito lang yung gamitin natin. So, para mas madali. So, dapat yung gamitin natin is KAB is equal to 4EI over L. Then, gamitin natin na fixed in moments is yung both sides, assuming na yung both sides is fixed. Kaya ganito. Okay? But in the end, makita natin na yung far end o far end na pin o ruler magiging 0. And then yung far end na fixed, meron talagang value. Okay? So ganon. So I hope nagkaintindihan tayo. So this is our second example. Okay? So we will have our third example on the next video. Okay?